Hi, I'm Jack Shilley. Today I'm talking about this, which is Epipremnum aureum, or devil's ivy. It's a super easy houseplant to look after. It likes somewhere that's fully sunny or partially sunny. It doesn't like somewhere where there's no natural light or it's very dark. It's easy enough to water. I water mine weekly, but it's quite good at telling you when it needs a drink because its leaves will start to visibly droop. That's a good sign that it needs a really good soak. I feed mine once a quarter. This just means there's lots of new growth and it's always looking at its best. This is the standard aureum variety. It's a variegated variety, but it comes in all different colours, leaf shapes, sizes. This one here is about 1.5 years old. As you can see, it's quite big, so you do need a little bit of space for it to grow properly. And generally speaking, it is pest and disease free. Just check the leaves occasionally to make sure there's nothing hiding in there, but otherwise remove any dead or yellowed leaves to ensure that it looks its best and it promotes new growth.